we're all doing well. Today's lesson is liquid volume. In today's lesson, we will learn how to calculate the capacity of a cuboid, and we are going to learn how to convert from millilitres to litres and vice versa. We will have been successful today if we can find the capacity of a container and convert from millilitres to litres. Okay, so liquid volume. If we have this hollow cube here measuring 15 centimetres by 10 centimetres by 4 centimetres, we can figure out the volume of this cube, okay? So using our volume formula as 600 centimetres cubed. If we fill this cuboid with water, that means it holds 600 centimetres cubed of water. But centimetres cubed is usually used to define the volume of a solid shape. We would like to use a different measurement for filling it with water. So liquid volume is measured in millilitres, and the key point here is that 1 centimetres cubed is the same as 1 millilitre. So if we know it in centimetres cubed, we know it in millilitres. We refer to liquid volume as capacity. So you might be asked, what is the capacity of this cuboid? And the capacity of this cuboid is 600 millilitres since its volume is 600 centimetres cubed. Okay, example 1. Calculate the capacity of this cuboid. So let's start by using the volume formula. V equals L times V times H. And we've got 12 times 6 times 8, which is 576 centimetres cubed. If we want to change to the capacity, we simply change the centimetres cubed to millilitres. Okay, so again, extremely important. If we're talking about volume, we should have centimetres cubed in there. If we're changing to capacity, it should be either millilitres or litres, okay? So, before we go on to the next bits and previous knowledge, 1 litre is equal to 1000 millilitres, okay? If we want to change from litres to millilitres, we need to times by 1000. If we want to change back the way from millilitres to litres, we divide by 1000. So let's try that. Change from millilitres to litres. So we are going to divide by 1000. You do not need this middle line of working, but I'm just going to do it since it's the notes to show you how I got there. So divide by 1000, that's 2.5 litres. Remember, dividing by 1000, there's 2 zeros there we can take away, and then we've still got to move everything one place. 850 divided by 1000, that is going to give me 0.85 litres, and 10 divided by 1000 is going to give me 0.01 litres. Okay, changing from litres to millilitres, so this time we're going the opposite way. We are timesing by 1000. That's going to give me 4250 millilitres. That's going to give me 7050 millilitres. And 2/5 as a decimal, well, we know 1/5 is 0.2, so 2/5 is 0.4. That's one of the ones you're expected to remember, which is 400 millilitres. Okay, so that's definitely going to help us on our last example. Calculate the capacity of the biscuit tin in litres. So let's start by calculating the volume. Multiplying everything together is going to give me 13,500 centimetres cubed. However, we are asked for the capacity, so remember 1 centimetre cubed is the same as 1 millilitre, so that's 13,500 millilitres. But we've been asked for it in litres, so we need to divide that by 1000 to get 13.5 litres, and that is us finished. Okay, so there's not too much new in this. It's really just about knowing to change from centimetres to millilitres. I will be uploading work on Teams, so please make sure you go on and check what you have to do for today. Okay, thanks guys. See you next week.